Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that yesterday we had started our revision classes of Unit 1 because your evaluation 1 is coming, and in that you are going to get oral questions related to all these chapters, and we are going to doing revision of page number 24 and 25, that is fishy facts. So today we are going to continue with that only. Different fish. Yesterday we have done about two different fishes, that is angler fish and parrotfish, and we have seen few qualities about angler fish and parrotfish. Now, what is unique thing about angler fish? Angler fish had a piece of skin. एक स्किन जो होता है उसके हेड पे बना होता है, एंड दैट इज क्वाइट शाइनी पीस ऑफ स्किन, एंड दैट विल अट्रैक्ट द प्रे. जो उसका फूड भोजन जो होता है, जो खाना जो भी इंसेक्ट्स को खाती है, वो अट्रैक्ट करता है इंसेक्ट्स को, एंड उनके पास आने पे एंड देन दैट एंगलर फिश ईट दैट. सी वन मोर थिंग, ओशन में अगर कोई भी फिश रहती है, अदर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फिशेज आर लिविंग ओवर देयर. ऐसा नहीं है कि somebody is feeding them, कोई उनको खाना खिला रहा है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. दे वर गेटिंग देयर फूड फ्रॉम द ओशन. वो कुछ फिशेज ऐसी हैं विच वर ईटिंग अदर फिशेज ओनली. लाइक अगर हम शार्क की बात करें, एंड बहुत देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ फिशेज जो दूसरी फिशेज को खाती हैं, दैट विल बी देयर फूड ओनली. तो उनमें से एक ये एंगलर फिश है. एंगलर फिश के ऊपर जो है एक स्किन अट्रैक्टिंग लाइटनिंग पार्ट ऑफ देयर बॉडी इज दैट, वो चमकता रहता है और दूसरे प्रे को लगता है कि हमारे पास में फिश आया है, हमारे पास समथिंग दैट इज शाइनिंग. वो पास में जाते हैं एंड देन एंगलर फिश ईट दैट. सेकेंड फिश जो हमने कल किया था, दैट इज पैरट फिश. पैरट फिश एज द नेम सजेस्ट, नेम ही उसका बता रहा है पैरट फिश का, दैट पैरट फिश इज जस्ट लाइक पैरट. जैसे तोते के पास बीक होता है, ऐसे चोंच होती है, जस्ट लाइक दैट पैरट फिश इज ऑल्सो हैविंग दैट. पैरट फिश क्या होता है, ऐसे बीक होता है, एंड विद दैट बीक दे विल फाइंड फूड इन द ओशन. जो भी ऐसे हार्ड सरफेस होती है उसको वो बीक से तोड़ करके एंड देन दे कैन फाइंड द फिश एंड दे कैन फाइंड द फूड. पैरट फिश एज द नेम सजेस्ट बहुत कलरफुल होती है, ब्राइटली कलर्ड होती है, डिफरेंट कलर में भी आपको देखने के लिए मिलती है. नाउ द थर्ड फिश विच वी विल डू इट टुडे, दैट इज स्वॉर्ड फिश. स्वॉर्ड फिश. तो व्हाट इज स्वॉर्ड फिश? स्वॉर्ड फिश एज द नेम सजेस्ट कि इसके ऊपर, इसके नोज पे एक स्वॉर्ड जैसी बनी रहती है, तलवार जैसी बनी रहती है, और दैट विल हेल्प द फिश टू फाइंड द वे इन द ओशन. ओशन में वो उनको हेल्प करती है टू फाइंड द वे, एंड वो हेल्प करती है ताकि जो दूसरी जो फिशेज हैं उससे उसको चोट भी ना लगे, एंड दे विल फाइंड द वे इन द ओशन. नाउ स्वॉर्ड फिश हैव अ थिन एंड लॉन्ग स्नाउट. ये जो नोज के पास ऐसे लंबी सी स्नाउट होती है, एक तलवार की तरह होती है. इट विल हेल्प देम टू मूव easily in the water, and they have blue and silver color body. एक और important चीज, that they do not, sword fish do not have scales on their body just like other fishes. Scales क्या होते हैं? जो छोटे छोटे कांटे जो उनकी बॉडी पे होते हैं और जिनको रिमूव करते हैं, जब पकाने से पहले उनको रिमूव किया जाता है, that scales they do not have. ठीक है, आपने फिश के ऊपर ऐसे वेवी ऐसे ऐसे देखा होगा ना, दीज काइंड ऑफ स्केल्स, ऐसे उसकी बॉडी पे ऐसे ऐसे करके बने रहते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड स्केल्स. बट स्वॉर्ड फिश की बॉडी पे कहीं पे भी स्केल्स नहीं होता. एंड नाउ इफ आई आस्क फ्रॉम दिस, इफ आई आस्क दैट विच फिश डज नॉट हैव स्केल्स ऑन देयर बॉडी, तो देन योर आंसर विल बी स्वॉर्ड फिश. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट. और किस कलर की बॉडीज होती है? इनकी बॉडी होती है सिल्वर एंड ब्लू कलर. नाउ विल कम टू नेक्स्ट, अ फ्लाइंग फिश. अब ये फ्लाइंग फिश क्या है? अ फ्लाइंग, एज द नेम सजेस्ट दैट दिस फिश कैन फ्लाई. फ्लाइंग फिश क्या है? दैट दिस फिश कैन फ्लाई. मीन्स जब उनको ये लगता है दैट इन द वाटर दे हैव देयर एनिमीज, that water, that the area, that the particular area where they are residing, where they are living, that is pursued, means वो वहाँ पे उनके enemies आ गए हैं. then to go away from that वो ऊपर की तरफ jump करती हैं and for some time they can be there in the air. वो ऐसा लगता है जैसे वो उड़ रही हैं. ठीक है. a flying fish can glide through the air for long distance with the help of its wing like fins. अभी जो उनके fins होते हैं they will help them to fly. और वो fly करके they can cover a long distance also. It leaves the water when it is pursued by enemies. जब उनके दुश्मन या जो चीज, जो insects which are not good for them, they will come over there, then they will leave that water. अभी next क्या है? flat fish. flat fish as the name suggests, flat fish कैसी होगी? flat fish flat होगी. ठीक है. और flat fish क्या करती है कि they have eyes on their one side. एक साइड पे ही eyes होती है. both the eyes were on one side. वो ओशन में जाके बिल्कुल नीचे बैठ जाती है and with the eyes को रोटेट करके they will find the food and वो नीचे एकदम ओशन में जाके फ्लैट होती है बिल्कुल, तो ओशन में बिल्कुल एकदम जाके नीचे बैठ जाती है एंड द अदर इंसेक्ट वोंट बी एबल टू फाइंड इट आउट. दूसरे इंसेक्ट्स को पता ही नहीं लगता है. तो व्हाट इज दैट? इंपॉर्टेंट चीज क्या है? अगर आपसे पूछता है विच फिश हैज बोथ ऑफ इट्स आईज ऑन वन साइड, देन द आंसर विल बी फ्लैट फिश. विच फिश हैज its both eyes on one side of its head, then the answer will be flat fish. Fine. Now they can be found resting on the bottom with their eyes facing upward and looking for prey. So now what is their next fish? If I'll say what is the next fish, that is electric ray. Now the name, as the name suggests, electric ray is the fish that is circular in shape. अभी ये shape is also very important. That shape you will write and that shape you will remember. If I'll ask that which fish is in circular shape, then your answer will be electric ray. Now actually what this electric word has came, that this fish has the ability to stun means वो किसी भी अगर इंसेक्ट के साथ टच हो जाती है तो उसको एक झटका सा लगता है, उसको लगता है दैट इलेक्ट्रिक करंट जैसा लगता है. सो वो स्टन गन की तरह काम करती है एंड देन with this quality only that electric ray will catch their prey also. Or in fact if human being will touch that electric ray, तो हमें भी एक शॉक जैसा लगेगा, झटका लगेगा. They will stun human beings also by delivering electric shocks. And with this quality only they are able to find their food in the ocean. Now last fish, that is sawfish, has a long snout which is look like saw. Now what is saw? Saw is a agriculture equipment that is used in field. वहाँ पे यूज होता है और वो sawfish is having that kind of a structure in front of their nose. Nose उनकी कैसी होती है? saw जैसी होती है, which is help to dig the ocean for their food. ओशन के अंदर जो अंदर का जो सरफेस होता है, they dig that surface of ocean to find the food. Now quick quiz that is given in your book. Fins help them to swim. Gills of the fish, these three parts are quite important. Fins, what is the use of fins, then gills, and then third one is scales. Now these three part of fish is very important. Fins help them to swim. Fins help them to swim. Gills help them to breathe. And scales helps them to protect. Now this much you have to remember. What we have done just now we have done about fishy facts. What are the facts about fishes that we have done? We have seen different types of fish, and then common part of fishes, that is fins. Fins help them to swim, gills help them to breathe, and then scales help them to protect. So these are quite important parts that you all will learn. Fine, that is very important. Now this fishy fact is very important. All these part you will learn. You are not going to leave these any one of these fish. So now we are going to start with our next topic of unit 1. This revision we are doing, that's why I am taking it a little bit faster so that we can complete our revision. Page number 30. So page number 30. See, you don't require to learn the whole. You don't require to learn whole paragraph. Only the important things you will learn. Now page number 30 or 31. That is awesome animals. Awesome animals we are going to do. Again, you have to remember the important feature about awesome animals, and after remembering the awesome features, then we are going to give the answers. This awesome animals is also very important, because in this we are going to learn about different species. So let's start with our awesome animals. So now number 1 is, this is the largest spider. This is the largest spider. Which is the largest spider? That is tarantula. Tarantula. The spelling is very important. Tarantula. Tarantula is the largest species of spider. Fine. If I'll ask that which is the largest spider, then you have to remember this answer. Tarantula. Now this is the world's slowest mammal. Now mammal. What are mammal? What are mammal? Now if I give example of one mammal, I will give example of human being. So which is the world's slowest mammal? That is sloth. That is sloth. Number 3, which is the slowest mammal? The slowest mammal is sloth. Now number 3, these sharks have head shaped like hammers, which help them to find food in the sea. In this, I can ask question in that way, that which fish has its head shaped like hammer? Then your answer will be hammer head shark. Or shark is also a fish only. So we will ask, I can ask in that way, that which shark has head like hammer? Then your answer will be hammerhead shark. Now come to fourth one. These lizards are best known for changing their body color to blend with their environment. So that is, the correct answer is chameleon. Number 4 is chameleon. Number 5, Chameleon is the correct answer. Chameleon is the species of lizard which is well trained in changing the color, and quickly it can change the color and mix or blend with. Blend means mix with the environment also. So the correct answer is chameleon. Now these animals cannot jump. Now that which animal cannot jump? That is elephant. Why elephant does not jump? Due to their heavy weight. They won't be able to balance their body weight if they will jump. Now, tidbits is very important, which is given on page number 30 also and 31 also. This exercise which is given on page number 30 and 31, that you will learn. That too you will learn. But apart from this exercise, tidbit is also given, which is also very important. Now what is there? On page number 30, you have been given a tidbits regarding to penguins. Now penguins have webbed feet which help them to swim. They also use their short paddle. Short paddle means the hand के पास जो जगह वो उनके flippers होते हैं. That is short paddle like wings to swim. Now penguins have short feather and a thick layer of fat to keep them warm. That you all are aware. If I'll ask that in which kind of a region or on which kind of a place we found penguin, then you will tell that we found penguin in cold region only. That is not required to write in the book, because we found penguin in southeast or on North Pole only. Fine, South Pole or North Pole, because we have quite cold weather over there and we found penguin over there. And next thing which you have to remember कि penguin के they have webbed feet which help them to swim, and for swimming they use their wings like paddle also, paddle like wings. And penguins have short feather and a fat skin which help them to keep them warm. Now number 6 is these animals have no teeth but can swallow up to 35,000 ants in a day with the help of their long tongues. Now the animal who eat ants is called, that is ant eaters. Quite easy. One who eat ants is called ant eaters. And ant eaters can eat more than 35,000 ants with their tongue. They do not have teeth, but they can eat 35,000, more than 35,000. Allow up to. Up to means 35,000 ants they can eat in one go with their long tongues. Fine. So here the question can be that which animal eat ants with their tongue and they do not have teeth? Then your answer will be ant eater. And if I'll ask that ant eaters can eat ants up to what number of ants in a day? So your answer will be 35,000 ants in a day. Now number 7, this animal's name means little armored one. Little armored means one who is equipped with arms, which refers to the overlapping plates covering its back, legs, head and tail. Now उनकी body एक layers की तरह बनी रहती है, just like plates are arranged in that way. जब वो move करते हैं with that, the other one body can be hurt also. So what is the name of that? That is armadillo. Armadillo. Now number 8, these animals give off a bad smell when they are threatened. Now this is very important. Which animal give bad smell when they are threatened. Threatened मतलब जब वो डरे होते हैं या डराते हैं, हम डर जाते हैं, then they will give off bad smell to move enemies from there. They are skunks. They are skunks. They are skunks. Now number 9, these animals can stand erect on their hind legs. Hind legs मतलब जो पीछे वाले पैर होते हैं. 4 legs animals जितने भी होते हैं, जो उनके पीछे वाले legs होते हैं, उनको हम hind legs बोलते हैं. And which animal can stand erect? Erect मतलब सीधा खड़ा हो सकता है अपने hind legs पे. That is meerkats. They are just look like cats. That's why their name is called meerkats. Their name is meerkats. ये cat की तरह ही दिखते हैं. And they were sitting like that only. Features भी उनकी वैसी होते. That's why they are called meerkats. Now number 10. This animal has a long nose and look like a large pig with a trunk. Large pig with a trunk. Then the name is tapir. Name of this animal is tapir. The name of this animal is tapir. So we have completed with this awesome animals. 10 awesome animals we have seen. Now we'll come to tidbits which is given on page number 31. Giraffes have long necks to help them eat from tall trees. बड़े पेड़ से ऊपर तक की टहनी के भी पत्ते they can eat, and they are tallest living animal. If I'll ask that which animal is the tallest living animal, then your answer will be giraffe. Now they have long tongues so that they can pick the smallest leaves of plants. So with this we have finished our this awesome animals page. All these pages or all these fill in the blank you will revise. You will learn all these fill in the blanks. These all are quite important. Now the next page which we are going to take today, that is animals, useful plants. We will take it. Page number 36. Now next we are going to do page number 36, useful plants. And we will see some of the useful plants right now. And I'll tell you a few important things about these useful plants in brief. And that only you require to remember. So let's start with our useful plants. Useful plants, page number 36 and 37 is there. I'll tell you important things about these useful plants. Now, in the category of useful plants, the first plant which is given in your book, that is neem tree. That we all are aware that neem tree is quite important. Now, what are the benefits of neem trees? That their twigs are used. दातुन के लिए, brushing teeth के लिए use होता है दातुन जो हम करते हैं. Different medicines में we use neem trees. If I'll tell you that, give example of 2 trees which have medicinal properties. Give example of 2 trees which has medicinal properties. Then you can give answer to that neem trees, and you can give answer to coconut tree. Coconut tree is not having that medicinal property. You can take name of amla tree also. Fine, amla tree also you can take. And if I'll ask that, name 2 herbs which have medicinal, which has medicinal property. Name 2 herbs. Name 2 herbs which has or which have medicinal property. Medicinal property or medicinal use. Then you can give name of tulsi and one more pudina. Both are these herbs. tulsi and pudina, and they have their medicinal property. Now neem tree, that is used to ward off insects also. Insects को भगाने के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. And उसकी जो leaves होती है that is eaten so that उसमें डायबिटीज भी कंट्रोल हो जाता है. नाउ कोकोनट ट्री इज ऑल्सो यूजफुल. अभी आज के टाइम में तो यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट एवरीवेयर. वी वर गेटिंग दैट नारियल पानी. कोकोनट का तो ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ दैट विल बी यूजफुल. कोकोनट का जो बाहर का फाइबर होता है दैट इज यूज टू मेक मैट. सो नाउ इफ आई आस्क कि विच फाइबर is also is used, coir is used to woven mat, then you will say that coconut fiber which is called coir of coconut fiber, that is used for making ropes and mats. Yeah, that is the usefulness of coconut. Abhi next is banana tree. Now each and every part of banana tree is useful. On their leaves we can serve food also. On the leaves we can serve the food also. What else we can do? Banana ka we can make a lot many dishes. It can be eaten. Each part of that banana tree can be eaten. That is very important. Fine. That उसका fruit, banana तो आप खाते ही हैं. Banana के साथ साथ that their chips can be made. Their flowers can be eaten, their stem can be eaten. So just like that. और banana leaves तो हम use करते हैं for serving the food. So each and every part of that banana tree is important. Now the ancient Egyptians used parts of the papyrus plant to make paper. ये papyrus plants जो होते हैं like जो जिनमें फाइबर होता है उनसे वो क्या बनाते थे? पत्ते बनाते थे. They were making pages also. Now next is henna plant. Number 4 is henna plant. What is the important about henna plant? Henna plant we often find it out in our surrounding. हमारे surrounding में ही आपको henna plant मिल जाएगा. And that is used for putting मेहंदीज on hand, color your hairs and coloring fabric also. Fabric color में भी henna plant is used. और जो रेडिश ब्राउन डाई जो होती है दैट इज मेड फ्रॉम दिस हिना प्लांट ओनली. नाउ इफ आई आस्क दैट रेडिश ब्राउन डाई इज मेड अप ऑफ फ्रॉम विच प्लांट, देन योर आंसर विल बी हिना प्लांट. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रबर ट्री. लास्ट वन इज रबर ट्री. रबर ट्री से वी विल गेट अ लिक्विड. नाउ इफ आई आस्क दैट द लिक्विड which we will get from rubber tree is called latex, and this latex is used for making elastic, is used to this fluid is used to make tires, shoe soles, balls, erasers, rubber band. Different things have been made with this latex only. All the things like rubber से जो भी हमारी चीजें बनती हैं that will be made from this latex. एंड हाउ दे आर कलेक्टिंग इट, उसमें एक छेद कर देते हैं रबर ट्री में एंड उसके नीचे एक टम्बलर रख दिया जाता है एंड दैट टम्बलर विल स्लोली दैट टम्बलर विल फिल्ड एंड देन दे विल टेक इट एंड कलेक्ट इट एंड टेकिंग इट टू द डिफरेंट इंडस्ट्रीज. ऐसा नहीं होता कि पेड़ काट करके एंड देन दे विल कलेक्टिंग इट. फ्रॉम वन ट्री वी कैन कलेक्ट मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ रबर इन अ ईयर. सो वो पूरा जो ट्री है वो बनाता रहता है एंड दैट विल बी यूज अगेन एंड अगेन. नाउ विद दिस अभी नीचे हमने कॉमन हर्ब्स हैं गिवन है लाइक तुलसी, पुदीना एंड आंवला इज ऑल्सो देयर. मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स, सो वो मैंने क्वेश्चन आपको बता दिया. नेम 3 मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स, देन यू कैन गिव. अभी प्लांट्स में हर्ब्स भी आएंगे, श्रब्स भी आएंगे और ट्रीज भी आएंगे. इफ माई क्वेश्चन विल बी नेम 3 मेडिसिनल प्लांट, तो उसमें आप नीम ट्री भी बोल सकते हो क्योंकि नीम ट्री को भी हम मेडिसिन की तरह यूज करते हैं. सो अभी हमने ये यूजफुल प्लांट कर लिया है. रेस्ट ऑफ द पेजेस विच वर लेफ्ट ऑफ यूनिट 1 दैट वी विल टेक इट इन आवर नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश आवर क्लास हियर. and unit 1. So many pages we have done of unit 1. I think 1 or 2 pages are only left. So you will prepare this unit 1. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day.